Transform your watercolour skills with Nicola's exclusive 6-week course.
You're looking for placements of things. Now, what you need to think about when you're doing this, it's obviously a portrait composition, yeah?
Live and interactive step-by-step guidance to build your skills and confidence.
Once I decided I was going to do this, and I took the first steps, and then it became easier and easier. It's just scary that first time.
You'll focus on a single painting throughout to master fundamental skills that are often underestimated.
So this is what I mean about that's the highest you can go, that's the widest you can go, etc., etc. Then just roughly draw in the shapes. Does that make sense, Margaret?
It does, yes, that's a big help, Nicola, thank you.
You learn so much more live this way. I don't know how to explain it, but she's just the best teacher, art teacher, that I've ever had. She's the star.
Visit paintingwithnicola.com to find out more.